I'm Hongmin Chen, and I'm the head of biology at WARF Therapeutics. Our purpose is to really help the life science researcher at UW to transform their research into a drug discovery program, and hopefully the final purpose is to come out with a drug that can treat a variety of different diseases. We reach out to the PIs to introduce them to WARF Therapeutics and tell them where our strength is, which we actually conversed with scientists that have a vast experience at the pharmaceutical industry to develop drugs. And developing drugs needs a very different set of skills than doing basic research. And the PIs that had really cutting-edge research on campus, and we can let them know if you want to develop into a drug, what that process will be, what kind of data we will need, and what the assays, all these details, and to guide them, to ask them to propose a project, and once it's accepted, we will take the project to let it become a full drug discovery process, a program, and then we will constantly go back with the PIs to talk to them about the data that we're generating. And the PIs will give us a lot of guidance on from the biology part, which will also be important for us when we develop these drugs throughout the process. So that's how we interact with the PIs. I mean, we have to constantly, have meetings with them, talk with them, and any problem comes out, we were just getting their advice and brainstorming on how to solve these problems. So interaction is very important for us. So I think now they realize what value we can add on to help them to transform their research. So that's a big advancement. Since I came here, I saw that more and more this are happening. They will come to us, get our opinion, and say, well, is it time that I should submit a program? What's the deadline? Without even us to go or call for proposals. This is where the differences I have experienced compared to working at the pharmaceutical companies. You have these access to this cutting-edge research in a variety of different areas that you will not have access to at the pharmaceutical industry. It's not just a particular target that these PIs have been doing research all their life on. They know the details. They really know the biology and the biology behind it. It's also, I found that there are a lot of technology platforms on campus. If we can go to dig out, that will be a huge, huge assets for UW and for WARF to develop into something that can accelerate or help drug discovery. And this is what we're starting to do now, and start to realize these huge resources that are buried in UW. Another difference that I experienced is the interdisciplinary group interaction that's happening on UW. You have Carbon Cancer Center, you have clinicians on campus, you have basic researchers, you have other infrastructure like biostatisticians, bioinformatics people. There are already interactions is going on campus and doing a lot of translational research that coupled from basic to the models we use to eventually the clinical results that's already there. Those are precious information that not every pharma company have access to. And that amazes me, and to see those resources on UW, and I think we can really make a difference if we can pull all of these together, to help us drug discovery, getting all the resources together. It's a vast resource on campus. We partner the industry because we came from industry, so we have these interactions. Still have a lot of interactions with the industry, so we know where industry will be looking at. We know what data packages they will want to evaluate a target or to evaluate a potential molecule that maybe has the drug-like properties. So we can go out to, we can generate all of these ones that tailored to what industry needs are looking for. We can draw the expertise from industry into WARF on campus to help us better accelerate our drug discovery. On the other side, we know what industry is missing, or what the UW can provide to them. So we know when we go out to talk to them, we probably know what are the key points that we can present that we have on UW that the industry will be looking for. So connect the industry to the campus, to the researcher in a better way. UW is one of the biggest research institution in the United States, and I was amazed to see how many life science research we're conducting here and the quality here. So I think that's the most exciting part for me, to come to UW and to do this work and to have the potential opportunity to really transform their research into a product that will benefit patients. I'm Hongmin Chen. I'm the head of biology at WARF Therapeutics.